Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For this look, I use beauty products from my Boxy Charm, listed below. So let's get ready. I'm going to be installing my First Wigs. It has some front combs, some back combs, and it also has an elastic band, as you can see, Swiss lace. Just going to do an install, seeing what I want to do. I'm just getting that part right, getting those edges laid. Adjustment is everything. I have my band on, letting my edges dry. I already slicked the little baby here, and the sideburns are down. Yes, laid. What do you guys think? This dress is from Pressed ATL. I'll also have the description of that down below. Thanks for getting ready with me, you guys. If you like what you see and you want to see more content from me, hit the subscribe button below. Oh, one more time. Look at that.